3.
We're going to do a Blind Bag Pajama Party.
And what are we doing today, Dean?
Eggs.
Today, we're going to make, for our Easter eggs that we're going to color later, our egg racers.
They're safe.
Found these at Walmart. They had a couple different ones. I think they might have had Marshall, but Mommy was too late to get Marshall. So we have Paw Patrol, Chase.
And Batman.
Yep, and Batman. So let's open the box. It says includes 1 car body, 4 wheels, and 1 sticker sheet. So I'm guessing the sticker sheet's to decorate your car. So let's build our
boxes. There's no wheels to move them.
I think you have to put the wheels on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
Better than tire wheels.
So here's the first one. Here's the car. Oh yeah, it comes with the wheels and the stickers are underneath, right? Yep, there's my stickers. Dean said I'm going to decorate Batman, right? And you're going to decorate Chase. Alright, let me put the wheels on.
I want to help too.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, so you just push it in. You want to try while I open the other one?
Mm-hmm.
Match it up. And then push it really hard. Can you get it? Box is hard to open.
I can't.
Oh, did you get it? Good job. Okay, you want to finish that one? I'll do this one?
Yeah, but I want to do my one with you.
Yeah, I'm just going to put the wheels on for you. While you put the wheels on mine. That's all.
And I can do the rest.
Yeah, you can decorate it. I'm just putting the wheels on.
Hey! We can both.
So it's not.
Decorate
It's a little hard to put on, huh? A little bit hard, but the wheels seem to move pretty good. Are we gonna race these outside? Yeah. So after you hard-boil your eggs, you put the egg in there, and it's like an egg racing car. Oh look, there's actually a little thing on the end. You see that little thing? We could probably tie string to it and pull it. Oh wait, or maybe they connect. Let me see. You want me to try? Here, let me see. You want me to help you?
Right after I put these wheels on.
You sure you don't want to decorate your car while I put the wheels on?
There's only one.
Let me see. Uh-oh.
A tire.
You want to do it? Okay. I didn't know if you needed help. Can I give you a trick? Hold it like this. Hold the inside and push it.
Ow.
Yeah, hold it like this. And then go like that. See, like that?
Yep.
Go ahead, put the other one. No, hold it on the inside. Yep, like that. There you go. Now look, let me show you something.
All wheels are on.
This is something I just noticed that's cool. If anyone has more than one, you can connect them. Oh wait, connect it again. They couldn't see it in the video. It doesn't really connect, but just a little bit. Yep. They don't push hard, just pull. Pretty cool. Okay, are we ready to decorate our cars?
Yep.
I'm gonna do this one.
Alright. Mommy, I wanted mine.
That's mine. I'm Batman, right? You wanted to do Chase, right?
Mine is so excited on the stickers.
Come on, decorate it.
I can't get the stickers on.
You need help? Little tiny stickers. Which one do you want first? The Paw Patrol symbol?
Whoa.
Here you go. Dean, here's your symbol. Dean, here's your sticker.
Thanks. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol.
You ready for the next one? Here's racing stripes. You can put them on the side of it, like right here. Right here, Dean. Like this. Right there. You can put them wherever you want, but that's where I would put it. Because you got 2 of them. Are you going to put it in the front?
Yeah. Yep, so we can move
There's
everywhere.
Chase. Oh, you know where I'm going to put Batman? I'm going to put him inside of it. Like this. Like he's driving the car.
I'm going to put him safe.
You are too? Like he's driving the car?
Yeah. Oops, wrong one.
That's okay. You have more. Did you put it the wrong way? You want to fix it?
Right here.
You going to put one over there? There you go. I only have one racing stripe. I'm going to put it on the other side.
Oh, Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol.
Mine is, mine.
You're not done yet. We still got more stickers if we want them. Here, you still got his badge. Don't forget the sides of your car, too.
Wait, Mommy, it's right on here.
It's okay, but don't forget you have this on the front and the sides, too.
Oh. That.
I mean, you don't have to decorate your whole car, but I tell you... Oh, you know what? I put my sticker on backwards, too. Oops. Silly us.
Me.
Look, my Batman's inside of it. He's on the wrong side, but that's okay.
Can we move first?
You want me to try to move it?
And I want mine on.
My last sticker.
Mine can come on.
Alright, well, let's put the rest of your stickers on, and then we can fix it. You still got a badge.
Another badge?
I can put one right here on the side.
No, I want both of them on both sides.
Oh, wait. Your guy came off. Wait, come here.
I want both of them on the
Okay.
same sides. Can you
I'm going to put them right here.
Mommy, do
You're almost
it.
done. Put the little... Sit down. You were doing your video.
Oh.
You forgot. Sit down. People want to see you build your car.
My car?
Yeah. This is... Dean's going to race that car, and his daddy is going to race the Batman car. Right?
I'm going to put
Mommy
on...
still has to find herself a car.
I'm gonna,
Underneath? Then you won't see it. Oh, on the wheel. All right.
so you can know where it is.
Okay.
Wait, they might get a little dirty.
It's okay.
Mommy, I want
All right.
off. I want them to test. Do 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 do.
We're going to put it here?
Do, do.
Right here?
Next to the wheel.
Dean's almost done his car. See, your guy is where it should be. Mine's backwards. What do you think of these cars? They're pretty cool, huh? I've never seen these before. They didn't have them last year. Do you like them?
Yep. I'm
Me
gonna
too.
put
You
it
still have 4
right
more
on
stickers.
the top.
Oh, good idea. Here you got 2 more stars.
2 more. What stars? Oh.
Can I put a bone on yours? Because I found a bone. I'm going
Yeah.
to put it right here.
I'm putting mine on there. And I'm putting my other one here next to the bone and paw. Wait. It would be better if I put 2 of them on it. Let's see. Oh,
Last one. You want that one?
yeah.
Alright, so this is the last sticker. And then we're going to present our cars. I wish I didn't put my Batman on backwards. I didn't get them off.
I put one on another stripe.
What? That's silly. You put it on top of the other one. Wait, sit down. We're going to show our cars.
Oh.
Dean's anxious. Alright, let's show our cars.
One.
So here's our Batman one. And Dean's daddy's going to race his egg in. And then, can I show him yours? And here's Dean's Paw Patrol one. Alright. Well, that's it. That's all we have for Easter video today. You want to tell everyone thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
See you next
Make
time.
sure to like and subscribe to Dean for more fun videos.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.